Hello everyone, welcome back to another VR YouTube video. Back at it again with the white vans. So today, if you've read the title, you dumb stupid bitch, we are going to be flying some jets. And it's going to be very fun. But first, oh yeah. Finally. A place to myself. Ah, shit, so fucking far. Alright. Now, I'm your flight instructor for today. We want to make sure that we're on the catapult. So just move it slowly. Now, we're on the catapult. Then, oh shit, okay. Then, after we've done that, we're going to be full throttle. Okay? Full, because you want to fucking blast off. Right? Okay? And then, you're gonna, you're gonna select your catapult, right? And then, when you select it, it's gonna release and you're gonna fucking, okay? 3, 2, 1, danger zone. And then pull up, and then get rid of your flaps. Gears. Oh my lordy lord. Way to the danger zone. I'm flying into the buildings. Wait, no, that's not what I meant. I'm gonna fly around the city. Watch this. Watch. You're basically the best pilot action ever. Sideways. Oh. Do you see that? Oh. Maverick would never. Oh. Oh shit, no, fuck. Whoops. I'm back. Okay, well, we're not gonna do that again. So this one isn't on the catapult. Run up into the sunset, motherfucker. Do some spins. Let's go. You get your gun out. Shoot the towers. Terrorism. Let's go. There's nothing better than terrorism. Like, I'll tell you what. Upside down. Oh. Oh. Upside down. I'm too good. Am I getting too low? No, I'm good. I'm good. Come on, blow up. Ain't blowing up. My bad. My bad. Sorry about that. Oh, that did not go well. Oh, never mind. I saved it. That's good. I'm just the best pilot there is out there. Zero land. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh, what is... Damn. That's a twin tower moment. I mean, this one. I missed the catapult. Okay, full throttle. Pull up. I said pull up. Oh fuck. Well, that did not go according to plan. I could have done better. 3, 2, 1. Danger zone. Oh, my lordy lord, I'm flying! I'm flying. Oh, I can lock on a target. Oh, let's go. Let's try not to go on that building. Oh. Oh. La, what's up, danger? This one. Oh, this one's old. Shit, I wanna have this one. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, want to pull up, and let's go. Oh, this is legit. Cheap gun. Fuck. No, it's not. Help, help, help. What am I doing? Oh, smoke trail, baby. Oh, that's so fucking cool. Oh, 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 fuck. Okay, I got it. Don't. No, don't. Help. Oh, fuck me. I mean, you can't lie. I did have it there for a little bit. Like, I was dodging a couple of buildings. Why does my hands look like that? I'm in like little babies. Mama. Mama. Yeah, subscribe. Or don't, to be honest. Like, I don't blame you. Oh, shit. Fuck.